Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of artichokes, that green and elegant jewel that captivates both the eye and the palate. Get ready to discover everything about its history, its health benefits, and the many ways you can incorporate it into your everyday cooking. If you have ever wondered why this vegetable has crossed centuries and borders to reach your table, this is the moment to find out. Let us now travel back in time to the ancient Mediterranean, where artichokes already held a privileged place. More than 2,000 years ago, on the coast of the Mediterranean Sea, the Greek and Roman peoples enjoyed this vegetable. For them, the artichoke was not only a delicacy, but also a natural medicine. It was believed to be capable of purifying the blood and strengthening the body. The earliest literary references date back to the 4th century BC, in Greek chronicles. Later, in ancient Rome, it was considered a symbol of luxury and refinement in the diet of the patricians. They not only delighted in eating it, but also revered it, and offered it at banquets and special celebrations. Over time, the artichoke crossed borders and seas. During the Middle Ages, it was carefully cultivated in monastic gardens and introduced to different regions of Europe by travelers and merchants. It was during the Renaissance that Italy established itself as one of the epicenters of artichoke cultivation, thanks to the nobility's interest in this exquisite vegetable. But the history of the artichoke does not end there. With the arrival of European explorers to the American continent, this vegetable crossed the Atlantic, finding new fertile soils in the New World where it could thrive. In the 20th century, Spain positioned itself as one of the world's largest producers, along with Italy and France, making the artichoke a true protagonist on tables across half the world. From history, we now move on to the wonderful benefits that artichoke offers us. First of all, it is an unparalleled source of essential nutrients. Every bite is packed with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, folates, and fundamental minerals such as magnesium and potassium. These nutrients help strengthen our immune system, maintain healthy skin, and participate in vital processes such as blood clotting and blood pressure regulation. But not only that, artichokes stand out for their high antioxidant content. These powerful substances help combat cellular damage caused by free radicals, delaying cellular aging and protecting the health of our heart. Regularly consuming artichokes can be a great ally for those looking to prevent cardiovascular diseases and maintain good circulation. Artichoke fiber deserves a special mention. It helps regulate intestinal transit and maintain a healthy and balanced digestive system. Additionally, the feeling of fullness it provides can be useful for those who want to control their weight, as it reduces appetite and helps avoid unhealthy cravings. Another reason to incorporate artichokes into your diet is their potential to help control cholesterol. Several scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of this vegetable can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol. This is due to its active compounds, such as cynarin, which promote bile production and the elimination of fats. Finally, we cannot forget their detoxifying properties. Artichokes have been recognized since ancient times for their ability to support liver function. They help the liver process and eliminate toxins, making them a recommended food in cleansing programs or healthy diets. Now that we know their virtues, it is time to explore how to enjoy artichokes in our kitchen. The possibilities are almost endless. One of the simplest ways is to eat them steamed or boiled. This way they retain their delicate flavor and tender texture, perfect for accompanying your favorite dishes. You can serve them with a touch of salt, extra virgin olive oil, and a few drops of lemon to enhance their natural flavor. If you love salads, try adding artichoke hearts to your regular recipes. They not only add a sophisticated touch, but also a crunchy and delicate texture that pairs perfectly with other fresh vegetables, cheese, nuts, or even fruits. Roasted artichokes are a true delight. Just drizzle them with a little olive oil, season to taste, and bake until golden and tender. Their flavor is enhanced and becomes deeper, ideal for those seeking a different culinary experience. They are also the perfect base for dips and spreads mixed with yogurt, hummus, or cream cheese. These preparations are ideal as appetizers at family gatherings or with friends. And, of course, artichokes blend wonderfully into main dishes. Try them in pastas, risottos, pizzas, or as filling for empanadas and savory pies. Their versatility knows no bounds. But if what you are looking for is to live a unique culinary experience with the best artichokes and a fusion of international flavors, there is a place in the heart of Madrid that you cannot miss: Cantina 33. At 5 Campomanes Street, our chef Sonny Montero has designed a menu where Venezuelan flavors intertwine with the best of international cuisine, resulting in surprising dishes. Here, artichokes become the stars of original recipes, full of creativity and good taste. We invite you to visit us, discover our dishes, and enjoy a cozy atmosphere designed for lovers of good food. To conclude, we want to thank you for joining us today on this journey through the history, benefits, and culinary secrets of artichokes. If you enjoyed this content and want to continue discovering the fascinating world of gastronomy, we invite you to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming posts. See you soon, and may good food always be with you.